Here are the items we're going to use in this video. We're going to use a Fram Ultra Synthetic XG7317 oil filter, Valvoline 0W20 full synthetic motor oil, and a Fram CA10013 air filter. Thanks for watching. And use 3/8 on here, because if you try to get 3/4 in, you're going to bump into the exhaust pipe here and wind up disengaging the nut. I actually found a torque listing for this at 29 foot-pounds. So if you're so inclined, I've never torqued one in my life, I'm not starting now. Okay, we've got our oil pan ready. Little screen on there. It's right back here behind the oil pan. Sometimes you can knock them loose with your power grip, but I can't get an angle on that. So I'm going to go get a wrench. So here we are coming in from the wheel well with a strap wrench, because this thing was on here pretty good. Messy, bit messy. Okay, we made a recovery. Now we're draining it out on our screen here. Three-quarters of a turn after contact. The oil filler cap's down in there, but I'm going to take off this cover just to make it a little bit easier. There's two of these little panel fasteners. Just rotate them left. Then you can just lift it. It's held into the back with a couple clasps. And it's out. Now I'm going to use this. Got this one with a hose on it. It's going to make it easier. Usually use it for transmission fills, but the oil cap is down low enough. It's going to be good here too. So we'll leave half a quart in here.